This program is really targeting the youth, age 18 to 30 years old. And what we're doing is that we're giving a challenge to them. This challenge has to be related to adolescent sexual reproductive health. And we're asking this youth, in light of the different issues that we see nowadays in this field of adolescent sexual reproductive health, what kind of solution can they provide to address one of those needs?
This session today is really to give you more information about the interview. As you may know, we'll select the top 10. And the top 10 will go to the pitch, and at the pitch, we'll select the top 4.
You have 5 minutes presentation when you get in front of a panel of 5 people. So you should kind of talk about your business in 5 minutes and try to convince all those 5 people. We are from Imbuto, UNFPA, Inhomoko, Kelab.
We're very honored to have been selected. We are very excited, and the presentation went well. We didn't have a PowerPoint presentation, but I think we prepared, my team member and I think we represented to the best of our ability.
From this competition, we expect to get some relevant training in terms of incubation for our platform, and also to get some startup capital in order to build the platform that we want to reach for young women.
Now that we've opened the application process, once we close it, we'll select the 10 best ideas. Those 10 best people will be meeting with other partners of ours who actually excel in entrepreneurial ideas or entrepreneurship spirit. They will sit with the innovators and they will basically train them, like how to improve their ideas, how to add solutions that will be more business oriented.
We are looking for young people in Rwanda and across Africa to come up with the ideas, the solutions themselves about how to make it sustainable, how to create business opportunities to support family planning and sexual reproductive health.
If you can say something in 2 minutes and convince someone, if you have 5 minutes, now you have even more time to actually engage with the dynamics of the conversation.